Okay, so NIO did a spectacular reaction last week as it respected our main support level around 8.38 and it is bouncing nicely in sequence. However, this move was already expected by us and it is just not good enough to reverse this bearish sentiment. It is good, yes, and could be the start of a real bullish reversal. But in order for NIO to materialize a real reversal pattern, it must break some of its main key resistance levels first. Otherwise, this appears to be just another dead cat bounce. So let's see what to expect on NIO stock. Let's start our 100% unbiased analysis. You are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis on NIO stock. First, the trend is bearish, is slightly bearish. It is not bullish. What is a bull trend, Nathan? Well, a bull trend has as its main trait a series of higher highs, higher lows. This is not what we see right now on NIO stock. It is just doing lower highs, lower lows, trading below the 21 EMA. Recently, it did a very interesting reaction because it found a support level around the 8.38 area. Remember, it is an area, right? It is not a specific number because we did lost the support level momentarily a few times over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. However, we couldn't actually lose this support area. Support areas are areas, we are not talking about magic, specific numbers that are gonna work 100% of the time with 100% of accuracy, okay? We found a support around this area and right now we are bouncing again, guess what? To the next resistance level, which is 9.52. We already talked about this area over here in our last video last week, and right now this week we hit our technical target. So okay, what NIO is doing is extremely technical, but although we failed in doing a crystal clear lower low, we have yet to see higher highs. So NIO is not, surely is not in a bull trend, but it is trying to give us some signs that it could reverse if it plays the right cards. Right now, what do we see? Yesterday, it did a classic dark cloud cover candlestick pattern, just like Tesla did as well, right? We did a dark cloud cover after retesting the 9.52. We hit our target with an astonishing precision. We did a dark cloud cover. We lost the 21 EMA as well. And right now, we are on the verge of triggering this stop sign. What are the statistics of a dark cloud cover? Well, we already discussed this pattern on our Tesla video, which is, by the way, join the top 5% community, check my website, the link is in the description of this video. As we already discussed on our previous Tesla video, well, a dark cloud cover is a bearish reversal pattern 60% of the time. So it is indeed a quite problematic candlestick pattern. And of course, the above numbers are based on hundreds of perfect trades. So okay, it is a very problematic candlestick pattern to work with. It is a very strong bearish reversal pattern. And in theory, if NIO actually triggers this pattern by losing yesterday's low, we should retest the 8.38 again. And if we lose the 8.38, then we are going to completely reject this week's candlestick pattern over here, because this week, this candlestick pattern is looking very, very good. It is very powerful. It is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. What's the problem with this reaction? Why is this reaction not good enough? Because we are still below the support area at 9.40, which did work as a support level here on January this year, again on December last year, and multiple times on November, October, and it is the gap support level over here. So 9.40 is the most important key point long-term speaking on NIO. Only if NIO actually breaks 9.40 in the weekly chart, we could see an actual bullish reversal pattern in the mid and short term. It won't be a long-term bullish reversal because NIO is still inside this descending channel. As long as we stay inside this descending channel, NIO will just remain in a bear trend. But we could see a mid-term bullish reversal on NIO. It could easily seek this purple trend line over here. However, in order to do that, we must completely reject this dark cloud cover candlestick pattern in the daily chart. We must break 9.52 in the daily chart and close above 9.40 in the weekly chart. In this scenario, I believe, only if this happens, I believe that NIO could retest higher levels, maybe the $12 again. Let's say, right, regardless if you are bullish or bearish, keep in mind these key points. And if you're still watching this video, come on, subscribe this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights. Click on the like button to support me. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.